Take out your maths fair notebooks. On a new page, we will start doing question number B. We have already done question A.
Yes,
Maths fair notebook. It's written over there. Maths fair notebook. Okay. Maths fair notebook. And in maths fair notebook, we have to start from question number B. Right, question B? Everyone? Okay, question B is that you have to write, find out which of the fact given numbers are divisible by 6. Find out which of, let me spotlight my video first. Okay, find out which of the given numbers
ma'am, I cannot see board properly.
Why? This part you can't see. Nothing is written over there. Find out which of the given numbers are divisible by 6. This is the question. Okay.
Start from new page.
Who is asking this from new page? Beta, what is written here? What's up? Maybe you have written on started later. I forgot to write here new page. Okay, first one is 56. I'm going to tell you the first one, second, third, fourth. You have to do it yourself. Okay, look here, everyone, for a minute. Everyone, look here for a minute. Stop writing. Acha, you write. First, you write. First, complete it. I will tell you the first question afterwards.
Ma'am, your video is paused.
My video is paused?
Ma'am,
No,
I
it
can
is.
see properly.
Is it paused, everyone?
No, ma'am.
My video is coming now? Oh.
No, ma'am.
Okay, you have to write in your fair notebook, new page, find out which of the numbers are divisible by 12. Oh, sorry, 6. Aditya, please change your name.
Ma'am, but
What but? What but?
ma'am, your video is stopped.
My video is stopped? Is my video
No,
stopped?
ma'am, it is
Everyone?
coming properly.
Maybe your network issues are there better from your side.
Ma'am, written this much.
Written this much? Okay,
Ma'am,
very
can I
good.
read?
Now everyone just
Yes.
look here on the board. Nobody will look here and there. Just everyone look on the board. iPhone, again, I think he's Aditya. Change your name. iPhone. Okay, so I'm going to mute you all. So everyone just be quiet. I'm going, do not open the mic in between. Okay, find out which of the given numbers are divisible by 6. 56 is the question. So divisibility of 6 is that we have to divide it. It should be divisible by 2 also. And it should be divisible by 3 also. It should be divisible by both of them. 2 also and 3 also. This is the divisibility of 6. So how we are going to do is, first we are going to check that it is divisible by 2 or not. Okay, how we check it? We always check the last digit. We always check the last digit of it. What is the last digit here? 6. Is it even, sorry, is it divisible by 2? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Last digit is 6. Therefore, you will write in a bracket yes. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Yes, it is divisible by 2. Now we will check it by 3. Whether this number is divisible by 3 or not.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it is.
How will we find it out? Whether this is divisible by 3. Adrika, will you see the last digit? Will you see the last digit?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
Om, what you are trying to say? Speak. Yes, we will add.
Ma'am,
Very good.
we will add 55 plus 6.
Okay, 5
Yes,
plus 6
ma'am, we
is
will
becoming
add them.
11. So 11 is not divisible by 3. You will write 11 is not divisible by 3.
11 is not divisible by 6.
11 is not divisible by 3. So you will write here in a bracket, no. You will write in a bracket, no. Okay. So here you will write no. 56 is not divisible by 6. Okay. Now, rest of the question you have to do it yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to do this one also.
The second question is 78. 78 you have to do it yourself, as well as next question is 153. Question 3 is 153. This one also you do it yourself. Do these yourself. You do this one also, and this one also. You have to do all three of them. Be quick. Wait for a minute. Let me correct it.
Ma'am, when we done it, we have to post our work in group or personally.
It a group of, obviously in group, not personally.
Okay, ma'am. Divisible by 3. Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes, beta, speak. What question you
Ma'am,
have? Huh?
Ma'am, as in the last you have written,
Hmm.
no 56 is not divisible by 6.
Huh.
No, ma'am, this is the ending statement.
Yes, because the question they are asking, which of the numbers are divisible by 6? This is the question they are asking. So this is the answer for this question.
Okay, ma'am. I'm done. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, beta, speak. So you all can see the answers from here. Question number 1 we have already done. Question 2 answer is this. And question 3 answer is this. Quickly check it yourself. Ishant, I'm getting your answer. I got your answer. 6, 11, yes, no, yes, yes. Ishant, 7 plus 8 is equals to 15 you have not written. And 15 is divisible by 3. There are 2 lines you are missing. You are missing this and you are missing this line as well, Ishant.
Ma'am,
Haan, beta?
ma'am, the work which Summer has posted in that, Summer has written that 15 is not divisible by 3.
9, he has written 15 is divisible by 3. No. It is, he has written 15 is divisible by 3. In front of it, he has written no. Yes, Samar. In front of the number 15 is divisible by 3, you have written no there. Just correct it. Okay, Hridyan, this one is also correct. Okay, Divyanshu. Yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
I also posted.
Good, Divyanshu. Ishant, correct your answer. It should be there. This line should be there. Divyanshu, very nice. Samar, what is 115 plus 3? Divided by 3 should be there. I don't know, Samar. This answer is wrong. Just correct it, the divisibility of 3 here. You have done wrong in third one, Samar. Samar, correct it.
Ma'am, there is a network problem, so my work, so I have to restart my phone.
Okay, beta,
So
you can
can
come
I
back again.
rejoin?
Yes, yes, you can leave and come back again. Who is this? Garv? Garv, beta, spelling of buy is B, not B-U-Y. It's B-Y, buy. BUY means to buy something. If you have bought from shop, to bought something, that is known as BUY buy. It's BY buy.
Okay, ma'am. I am correcting.
Very good, beta. Okay, rest of the answers are correct, girl. Divyang Premi. Divyang Premi, last digits. Beta, it's not last digits. It's last digit. Ma'am, winter is my favorite season. My birthday is coming, so school is also starting. Yes. Divyansh, you want to come to school now, right?
Yes, ma'am.
He wants to come to school now. He is getting bored at home, right?
Yes, ma'am. I am also getting bored at home.
And you don't like studying on this laptops, right? And phones,
Yes,
laptop and
ma'am.
phones, right? On the screens. So you want to come to school.
Ma'am, I want to see my friend.
Okay, who is this? Arushi, beta, it is correct. Very good, Arushi. 315, 15. Pratishtha, it is correct. Anjali, 7, 8, 15, 15. Yes, 17. Yes, good, beta, Anjali. Very nicely done. Who is this? Akshat. Akshat Sahu, now it is correct. Okay. Akshat Sahu, now it is correct, beta. Okay. Now, let us proceed further. Okay, now what we have to do, exercise 5.5 we were doing, which are the numbers divisible by 6. Okay, now we are going to start question number 3. Before starting question number 3, can you tell me the divisibility of 9? Okay, let me ask anyone in the group. Bhavishya God. Bhavishya. Switch on your video as well as audio.
Ma'am, I
All of
know.
you. So I ask Bhavishya. Bhavishya, start your video. Start your video, Bhavishya, quickly. Or Bhavishya, I want your answers also. Mehul, abhi I'll check it, beta. Mehul is there in the meeting. I can't find out. Okay, he's there. Yes, Bhavishya. Start your video. Yes, Bhavishya. Tell me, switch on your mic, Bhavishya. Mic khulo. Jaldi se. Quick. Haan, Bhavishya. Haan, Bhavishya, what is the divisibility of 9? How will you check the divisibility of 9? Tell me.
Ma'am, divide by 3.
Arey, very good. Divide by 3, Bhavishya.
I know.
Ma'am,
I know.
Bhavishya will tell. I'm talking to Bhavishya now.
Divide by 9.
I'm talking to Bhavishya. Are you all Bhavishya? I don't think so. Bhavishya, how will you find out that the number is divisible by 9 or not? कैसे ढूंढोगे ये number 9 से divisible है या नहीं है? Suppose 153 है. How will you find out that this number is divisible by 9 or not? Tell me quickly. और आंसर नहीं आया बेटा मेरे पास भविष्य.
Ma'am, I am doing.
You are doing? I want your answers. Do it quickly. Okay, after Bhavishya, let me ask Imad. Imad, switch on your video as well as audio. Where is he? Muhammad Imad here. Where is he gone? Okay, wait a minute, Imad. Imad, how will you find out that the number is divisible by 3 or 9 or not? How will you find out? How will you find out that this number is divisible? Any number suppose I've given you 153. How will you find out that this number is divisible by 9 or not? You know, Imad? You know? Yes or no?
First we
add what? What will you add? You will add what? 153 is there, suppose. What will you add?
1 plus 5 plus 3.
Very good. You will add 1 plus 5 plus 3. So what is the sum coming? 9. So is it divisible by 9? Yes or no?
Yes,
By 9. Is it divisible by 9?
The sum is divisible by 9.
Because the sum which is coming, this is divisible by 9. 9 is divisible by 9. Swarnim? Swarnim?
Then sum of all.
Now you can switch off your video, Oma.
Yes.
Where is Swarnim? Let me see Swarnim. Where is he? Swarnim. Again gone. Swarnim.
Sum is not gone.
No, I think his video, I think your network is not proper, Swarnim, right?
No,
Okay.
Yes,
Swarnim,
ma'am.
is this correct? 9 is divisible by 9. Is this correct? Yes or no?
Yes,
And there are
ma'am.
so many students, I'm not getting the answer on the WhatsApp. Okay, Swarnim. So again, I'm going to make you revise. Just wait for a minute. Okay. What is the time going on? 10:20. The meeting will end at, I think, 10:40. Okay. So see. For 9 divisibility is same as 3. Sum of all digits, you have to divide it by 9. If they are divisible by 9, yes. If they are not divisible by 9, then no. They are not. The sum is not divisible by 9. Okay. So let us start again. Question number C. Let us start question number C. Write down everyone in your maths fair notebook. Question C. Maths fair notebook, you have to write question C. From a new page. Not from a new page, sorry. Not from a new page. You can start from the same page as well. Is 9 a factor? Is 9 a factor of... Wait for a minute. Okay, somebody has sent me. Dhwani, I will see your answers. Just wait for some time. Is 9 as a factor of any of the numbers given below? So when any number is a factor of other number, just wait for a minute. Let me plug my charger in. Oh, 9 is a factor of the numbers given below. So to check whether the number is a factor of other number, we used to do the divide. And instead of dividing, we use the divisibility test. Because we don't want the question. We want to check whether it is divisible or not divisible. Okay, so write question number 1. 234. Beta, in your book, there are very easy questions given. So I'm not giving you from the book. These questions are given by me, myself. Because in your book, there are very, very easy questions. If you can see 56, 63, you can add them easily. But I'm giving you this question. So how will you do it? 2 plus 3 plus 4. First one I will do. Rest of them you have to do.
Is equals to 9.
9. Very good. 9 is divisible by 9. Yes or no? Tell me. 9 is divisible by 9 or 9 is not divisible by 9?
9 is divisible by 9.
9 is divisible by 9. Therefore, 234 is also divisible by 9. So you will write this therefore. Do you know this sign therefore? You can use the short form of divisible by 9. And if 234 is divisible by 9, that means 9 is a factor of 234. Okay. This was question 1. Now we will start with question number 2. You have to do it yourself, question number 2. I have done question 1. 2, you have to do it yourself. 2 is 519. So I'm not writing 2 here. You have to do the second question. You can do that downwards also. This is the second.
Ma'am, what do you have written before 2, 3, and 4?
1, question number 1.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
234 is divisible by
Beta, there is one therefore. Instead of writing for therefore means isliye. In Hindi we say isliye. So therefore, instead of writing the whole word therefore, we make 3 dots like this. 1, 2, 3 dots like this. So this is the sign of
Okay,
therefore.
ma'am.
Second one, do it yourself.
Fine, ma'am.
Yes, see the answer of the second one, first one and second one. The meeting is going to be get over. So we are going to start question number E in our next class. Okay. So goodbye
Okay,
everyone.
ma'am.
Goodbye everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Okay,
Bye,
Samal
ma'am.
and Divya and Mehul. Bye, beta. Okay,
Bye,
Samar,
ma'am.
you have done only first question. Where is your second question,
Bye.
Samar? Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am. Take care.
You